yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. After the struggle and the pain and the rain and the game should have never be the same.
Sunday. It's Mr. Emoneyshoes, Mr. KO4. I am back with another review. I've been indulging this week, doing some stuff, buying some stuff, using my birthday weekend as a justification for all of these cops. Also, I've been taking advantage of those flex points. We don't have no head starts and stuff like that over here, so just let them build up. And so far, I got like, what, 2 of those $100 coupons and put them to good work. Right, they work a couple 50s. The 10s are not even worth doing it, so I won't even. So the flex little app is not completely a farce. You can use it to your advantage. Just buy the shoes. But fortunately for us on the island, the store's been open where you can still continue to build. And if you haven't checked out the home team, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, their links will be in the description below. Check out the latest and greatest vids. I got so many vids out, a little bit for everything. Cakes, kids, aunties, uncles, grandmas, you name it. I have a video, especially I'm all about this comfort thing as we speak. And who has the heat? It's about a little over a month away and get everything down. If y'all haven't started following us on IG, please do so. Also, you can follow me on IG directly, E_money_shoes. Now, as y'all can see, this is a Kyrie Irving box, all psychedelic. It reminds me of the Pac-Man game, the Miss Pac-Man game, or all that with this old print. I don't even know, this looks like 8-bit, maybe less than 8-bit, because 8-bit was actually pretty good. This is not even 8-bit. Neither here nor there. Colors, like you see. And as you can see, size 10.5 PP personal pair, 12 for the ladies. Suggested retail price $130 of them thing. You got your QR code. You got your colorway black or nor, and you got your code to look it up, BQ4630006. These joints are on sale for $99. And you got your stapper ramp up there, and you got all of this stuff on the shoe. And you got your little mold sticker right there in the corner. And I don't think you got anything else. Nothing in that spectacular yet. I gotta bring both of these shoes out, because Kyrie, he be going ham with those little hidden nuggets, so like we call Easter egg, bam and bam. But what are these called? These are called the Kyrie Irving what? Don't sleep, you gon' miss your opportunity. Don't sleep. Okay, thank you for that, Ella. Y'all didn't know, Ella May, I guess she knew about these Kyrie Irving 6 shot clock. Now, let's get, I was thinking, how do I do this? I was like, who the hell would think of such craziness? But as you can see, it's pretty much a black ass shoe, but I like it a lot. So yes, I tried to go true to size. I think on my other I had a 10. Nope, no bueno. Got to go at least half a size up on these joints. At least a half size up. The minimum on Kyrie's. You can do a whole size up. A lot of people hit me up about what can you do on these shoes. You can do a half. Definitely can do a whole. No problem. But at least a half, and you will be okay. I don't know what it is about this sneaker, but it runs hella small, and your dogs will be barking. Now as we go underneath, you got Kyrie Irving signature. This is the thing that a lot of people don't like about Kyrie, because he did this all seeing eye, depending on what your belief is. So no problem, no qualm about that. And then you got little glue right there on the toe, right there. Then you got the mesh here. Then you got, look at this, I want to say fly, but it ain't fly wire. Then you got the all-seeing eye here. You got a translucent strap over here, as you can see. Then you got Kyrie here with this cheesy, I don't know what that is, print with leather right there. Then you can see air zoom. So Kyrie, he has a lot of input on all of his shoes. Each year get better. It gets better and better. as far as the shoe. So he does have a lot of input, and you can see he got all this different stuff. 11, the shot clock countdown, right? Then you got the swoosh on the back of the shoe. You got all seeing eye, and you got to come around on the media side. You got a nice, pretty good thing of nubuck suede with your swoosh, and you got the Roman numeral 6 right here. And as you can see, you got Elizabeth right there, tribute to the mom right there as well. You got some numbers in there, not sure what that is. And you got engineered, all of that good stuff, yada yada yada. You normally have some other stuff here and there. As you can see, you got the QR code, and you got the size 10.5 with the stuffing on this shoe. You move this to the side, you find your little nuggets, hidden treasures on there. As you can see right here, also I missed, you got humble and hungry. You always have that. You normally have H&H on the shoe. And he has his daughter right here, Zuri. I think it's Zuri, which he always have. And sometimes he has stuff on the toe box. So he didn't have too many hidden nuggets on this shoe, but he had enough. And as you can see, this one is that orangish color, and this one is the greenish looking color. And then, all right, it's good. It's all black around the sock liner, so you don't have to worry about no done sock bunnies when you wearing your white shoes. White shoes, and you're getting black sock bunnies all in the shoe. But definitely a very comfortable shoe once you get the right size, if you just want to rock it casually, in my opinion. And this one is pretty much a neutral shoe, so you shouldn't have no problem matching it up. So we're going to do one more once over, spin around, see if we miss anything on the shoe. All seeing eye. So y'all let me know about the all seeing eye. Does that bother you that he put a lot of that on the shoe? Or is it, because I know a lot of people are religious, so like I said, don't knock that. And okay, the price is $99. I don't know what's up with that, but hey, I guess I get past it. Not that critical. So with the Liddy Lit meter, or on the Liddy Lit meter, looking around the shoe, the execution, like I said, black. When I first saw these shoes come out, they ain't been out that long. So I think they just released last month, and they are already on sale at Foot Locker. So it's like immediately grabbed my attention. You know how shoes grab your attention? They just talk to you when you go in the store. These are one of the ones. I don't know why Kyrie, but I'm saying, why the hell Kyrie is talking to you? Hey, it is what it is. Some shoes just do that. But I would see on the Liddy Lit meter for the price, comfort, execution, I give it about a 4.7, right? 4.7 out of 5. Maybe I should have waited maybe to try to get a little bit cheaper, but actually I did, because I used a $50 coupon on the night, so it's actually $50, so I can't really complain. But yes, I can, because if it was $50, I would have got it for free. So yes, I am going to still complain. It's my review, and I'm going to do it, done it. Yes, so I'm going to give it a 4.7 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think about it, because I see some glue stains here and here, which is very unusual for the shoe in here. So yep, 4.7 out of 5. You let me know in the comment suggestion below. Would you cop this shoe? Not necessarily need it. Wouldn't have bought it even if you would have got it for $50. And we can chop it up in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Yes, we are on the road to 10K, moving slowly but surely. Thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, I'm out.